In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy another Shopify store. We'll walk through exporting a theme from one store and bringing it into another, so you can quickly replicate the look and feel you already love. Keep in mind, this process copies the theme code and its settings. It won't move products, pages, apps, or customer data. Also, only copy themes you own or have permission to use. Start by heading to your Shopify admin home. Make sure you're signed into the store that has the theme you want to copy and that your account has permission to manage themes. From the left sidebar, click Online Store to open the Themes section. This is where you'll see your current theme and any themes in your theme library. Find the theme you want to copy. It could be the live theme or one stored in your library. Open the menu by clicking the three dots next to that theme. This menu is where Shopify keeps theme management actions. Choose Download Theme File. Shopify will prepare a zip file that contains your theme's templates, sections, assets, and settings. When prompted, click Send Email to confirm. Shopify emails the zip to the store owner's email address on file. Give it a moment, then check your inbox or spam folder and save the zip somewhere you can find easily. Don't unzip it. You'll upload it as is. Next, return to the Themes page for the store where you want to use this design. Click Import Theme. This tells Shopify you're bringing in a theme file rather than installing from the theme store. Then click Upload Zip File. Select the zip you just downloaded and start the upload. Depending on your connection and theme size, this can take a minute or two. When it's done, the copied theme will appear in your theme library. You can preview it to make sure everything looks right before making any changes. If you rely on app blocks or custom integrations, you may need to reinstall or reconnect those in the destination store to match your original experience. As an alternative, you can copy it manually through Edit Theme. This approach is best if you only need specific sections or snippets. Open Edit Code on the source theme to view the files and replicate the relevant code and settings in the destination theme. This requires comfort with theme files and is more time-consuming, but it gives you precise control. That's it. You've exported the theme, received the email, imported it, and uploaded the zip, giving your new store the same design foundation. Save backups as you go, and you'll always have a rollback point while you refine the look.